Guangxi, China, May 18, 2025. Severe weather hits Guangxi, Guangdong and Fujian provinces, causing flooding in multiple rivers, leaving 3 dead and 1 missing. Severe weather has been a frequent occurrence in many parts of China recently, be it high temperatures, drought or flooding. On May 17, 2025, Guangxi, which is suffering from drought in many places, was hit by a sudden downpour, causing flooding beyond warning levels in 3 rivers, leaving at least 3 dead and 1 missing. According to reports from mainland media such as CCTV and Tianyang News, under the supervision of the Guangxi Hydrological Department, due to the impact of heavy rainfall, from 8 o'clock on May 17 to 8 o'clock on May 18, 3 stations on 3 rivers in Guangxi, namely the Luojiang River, the Fuchun River, a tributary of the Gujiang River, and the Shihe River, a tributary of the Luoqing River, experienced floods exceeding the warning level by 0.6 to 1.23 meters. The section of the Luojiang River in Dalian Town, Bailiu City, Yulin Province suffered the largest flood since 2015. The Guangxi Hydrological Center forecast that in the next 24 hours, the water level in the middle and lower reaches of the Gujiang River, the lower reaches of the Luoqing River, the lower reaches of the Hejiang River, and the Shijiang River will continue to rise by 1 to 2 meters. Some medium and small rivers in Nanning, Guigang, Wuzhou, Shazhou, and Yulin may experience floods exceeding the warning level. According to the Emergency Management Bureau of Longlin County, Baise City, Guangxi, from May 16 to 17, some communes in the county experienced heavy rain to torrential rain and localized torrential rain. The heavy rainfall caused flooding in Yancha town, causing 4 eucalyptus growers who were temporarily staying in a warehouse on Nanwaitun Mountain in Lengadu village to lose contact. Currently, 3 people have been rescued, but there are no signs of survival, and 1 missing person is being searched for. It is known that in April, the meteorological drought situation was very serious in many places in Guangxi, with the drought area reaching 97.5%, of which the extreme drought area was 68.7%. Some local elders said they had never seen such a thing in their decades of living in the locality. Previously, from May 8 to 9, heavy to very heavy rain occurred in at least 9 cities in Guangxi, including Nanning and Guilin, and hail also occurred in some towns and villages, accompanied by gusts of wind of level 7. According to monitoring, at least 5 rivers including the Zhouzhou River saw water levels rise by 1 to 3.5 meters, with a section of the Daning River currently at flood warning level. Meanwhile, in Guangdong Province, mainland media reported that on May 17, at least 5 cities and counties in Guangdong, including Foshan and Guangzhou, experienced moderate to heavy rain, including localized heavy rain or downpours. According to the Hydrometeorological Monitoring Report, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on May 17, 8 towns and streets in Guangdong Province had very heavy rain of over 100 millimeters. 38 towns and streets had very heavy rain of 50 to 100 millimeters. Of which, Lixi Town, Yingda City, Qingyuan recorded the highest rainfall of 174.2 millimeters. From 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock on May 18, the rainfall in Jiangxi reached 214.9 millimeters. Some netizens joked that this was a waterfall falling. As of 8:30 a.m. on May 18, a total of 24 rainstorm warning signals were in effect in Guangdong, including 6 red warnings, 9 orange warnings, and 9 yellow warnings. There are still 6 yellow warning signals for thunderstorms and strong winds in Guangdong province. In Fujian Province, the Fujian Provincial Meteorological Observatory raised the heavy rain warning to level 2 at 7 p.m. on May 17. And the government also decided to issue a level 3 emergency response to prevent heavy rain at 7 p.m. on May 17. On May 18, at least 6 cities including Fuzhou and Quanzhou experienced heavy rain, with localized downpours. The cumulative rainfall in 24 hours is 50 to 80 millimeters. In some places up to 120 millimeters. During the thunderstorm, there were local strong convective weather phenomena such as short-term heavy rain. Strong winds of level 8 to level 10 or hail. On May 18, the Fujian Provincial Department of Natural Resources issued an orange warning for geological disaster meteorological risks. On May 17, the Fujian Provincial Center for Hydrological and Water Resources issued a yellow warning for flash flood risks, warning of heavy rain, severe convective disaster risks, and traffic safety risks. In addition, the severe weather has been changing continuously in China in recent days, with floods in the south and heat waves in the north, with temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius in some northern regions. According to CCTV News, the first high-temperature process in the north began on May 18, and will enter the core impact stage from May 19 to 22. Many places in northwest China, North China, and Huanghuai may have high temperatures of 40 degrees Celsius or higher. Shaanxi is the area most severely affected by this high temperature process. The maximum temperature in some places will reach or exceed the historical maximum temperature in the same period. From May 18 to May 22, the high temperature range will expand and become stronger. Among them, at least 6 provinces including Ningxia and Hubei will have high temperatures above 35 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature during the day in Shaanxi, Henan, Shandong, Shaanxi and other places may reach 37 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. In some places will exceed 40 degrees Celsius. The high temperature is extreme.